The best wash starts with the best water, and Velocity Water Softeners by Sonnys are a vital pre-treatment step to optimize your water to work with your chemistry and equipment, reduce chemical costs, improve wash performance, and extend the life of your equipment with Sonny's full line of commercial-grade softeners. Why is soft water so important? Soft water produces high foam levels and a consistently clean performance. You'll use less detergents and pre-soaks and still get a clean rinse while putting on a better show. It also matters to your equipment. Hard water creates buildup on your equipment, pipes, and nozzles. Soft water prevents this buildup, reducing maintenance and downtime while extending your equipment's life. Our water softeners do all of that and more. We customize a softener setup to meet your specific needs. Depending on your needs, we have 1, 2, and 3 tank systems, all designed for any flow rate or volume. We'll make sure you always have enough soft water 24/7, no matter how big or small your wash is. We also offer copper pre-plumbed manifolds. These offer easier plumbing hookups to ensure your installation and setup is as fast and accurate as possible. Our softener valves all come with integrated inlet and outlet sample ports for quick and easy testing to help you evaluate your water's hardness right at the source. Every softener also comes with our patented salt saving system. It lowers your salt use up to 17% without reducing softener capacity. Velocity commercial-grade water softeners by Sonnys optimize the quality and efficiency of your water. Call your Sonnys sales rep to talk water softeners today. We're here to be your car wash water experts and optimize every drop.